You need to answer mommy on what animal I'm going to say and I'm going to describe, and then you're gonna answer which animal is this, okay? Okay, what am I? I have 4 legs. I am a type of cat. I have orange and black stripes. What is it?
Tiger.
And then you need to paste. So I'm gonna paste my question here, and you need to paste your answer on the side. I'll help you here. Okay, go up.
I can go up.
There. Next, what am I? I have 4 legs. I am a type of cat. I have mane, and I can roar.
Lion.
Lion! Very good.
What are you question?
What am I? I have 4 legs. I look like a horse. I have black and white stripes.
Zebra. Here goes.
Here you go.
Let's do the
What am I? I have 4 short legs.
for short gray.
I have a big mouth.
Now.
I like to stay in the water and mud. I am gray.
Hippopotamus.
Next, I have no legs. I slither along the ground. I say
Snake.
Okay, next. What am I? I have 4 legs. I am large and gray. I have a trunk.
It belongs to
What is
Mommy,
it? What is
Mommy.
it? Yeah, what is it?
Elephant.
Elephant. Very good.
Oh,
I have 4 legs. I can run very fast. I have yellow fur with black spots. I am a kind of cat. What is it?
Cheetah.
Cheetah!
Really need a
What
mission.
am I? I have 2 wings. I can fly. I have multicolored feathers. Sometimes sound like I'm
Parrot.
talking.
Talking. What?
I have 4 legs. I am gray. I have a sharp horn on the end of my nose. You say it a while ago. What is it? Huh? Huh?
I said Rhinoceros. Done.
Done.
Ding dong. Taller, and then me.
Are you tall?
Yes. Bye-bye, guys. See you in the next video. Bye. See you in the next video.